Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to birdwatch the Lady Amherst Pheasant in Heartopia. The bird looks like that. It's so beautiful. It has a pattern and a color like this. And to catching this bird is useful to complete your birdwatching diary like this. And for the info card, you can exchange for rewards with Bailey J. And you can also sell the info card to NPC Albert if you want some extra kinds. And to find this bird, you can go to the Onsen mountain, like precisely at the ruins area. And for the good news, it's this bird spawn at all times and in all weather at the sunny, rainy, and rainbow, so you don't need to wait for a specific time or conditions. And for the locations, it's located on the map. It's located over here. This one, just go to this area to birdwatch this bird. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.